Hello, fine people. I'm Alex Williams of TalkToAl.com Real Estate. I specialize in commercial properties and residential homes in St. Pete Beach, Treasure Island, Largo, Gulfport, and the St. Petersburg area. I began my real estate career while I was a Buick Suzuki automobile dealer in 1983. After selling the dealership, I moved into this area and fell in love with both the area and the real estate market here. Using the same tenets as in the auto industry treat people better than you want to be treated yourself, the TalkToAl.com brand stands for just that. If you or anyone you know are thinking of buying or selling residential or commercial real estate, TalkToAl.com. We'll both be glad you did.
Are you waiting for the right excuse? Are you waiting for a sign to choose? While you're waiting, it's the time you lose. What are you waiting for? Don't you wanna spread your wings and fly? Don't you really wanna live your life? Don't you wanna love before you die?
Hey everybody, this is Alex Williams at the Crystal Palms Beach Resort. We're up on the penthouse floor. This is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath condominium, as I said, on the penthouse floor, 1,824 square feet. It was built in 2008. Come on out and let's look at the view off the porch. If you're interested in an income-producing property, something you can come down, stay in 3 or 4 months out of the year, and then rent it out the rest of the year, it is So we're here in Treasure Island. This is Gulf Boulevard you see right down here. Here's the beautiful beaches of Treasure Island. Look at the view. You can see out there all the way down to Passage Road. I think I can see Anna Maria Island. We have John's Pass right down here with all of the restaurants and shops. Very conveniently located. This unit sells for $734,000. You can see it on MLS or Zillow. The address is 11605 Gulf Boulevard. Take a look at it.